Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain key of 16th June dated assignment. So first blank. The face value of 5 in 457 is dash. This is the first blank, right? The face value of 5 in 457 is dash. So here the place value. What is the face value? What is the face value? Okay, I will tell you about the face value. The face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. So here we have to concentrate on digit itself, right? So the face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. So what is the given number here? 457 is the given number, right? So this is the given number 457. So we have to find out the face value of 5. So face value means digit itself. So the face value of 5 is 5. So the face value of 5 is 5. Okay, now I am going to rub the board. Next, second blank. Complete the expanded form of complete the expanded form of 457 is equal to 400 plus dash. It is a second blank, right? Complete the expanded form of 457. So here expanded form. Now tell me, what is an expanded form? Okay, I will tell you. Expanded form. Expanded form is a way of writing the numbers to show the actual value of individual digits. So this is about expanded form. Okay, I will tell you an easy way. Here, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there, right? So the first digit is 4, right? So write 4 first. Next, after that, how many digits are remaining? 2 digits are remaining. So write 2 zeros. Now it would be 400. Next, now close 4. So what is the first digit here? 5. So write first 5. Next, after that 5, after only one digit is remaining, right? So write only one zero. Write only 1 0. Next, now close 4 5. Now the remaining digit is 7. So write first 7. Next, after 7 here there is no digits, right? So no need to keep zeros after 7. So the expanded form of 457 is 400 plus 50 plus 7. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next. Now I am going to rub the board. Next, third question. Third blank. Third blank. A1. 10 hundredths. 10 hundredths make 1 dash. 10 hundredths make 1 dash. 1 dash. 10 hundredths make 1 dash means what? Okay, first 10 is given, no? So first write 10. 10 hundredths. So here we have to multiply. So do you know the multiplication symbol? Yes, into is a multiplication, right? Multiplication symbol. Next, 10 hundredths. So write 100. Okay, now we have to multiply 10 into 100. Okay, we have to multiply 10 into 100. Okay, now 10 into 100 is difficulty, right? Don't worry about it. First, multiply 1 and 1. 1 into 1. You know very well, right? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now here, how many zeros are remaining? In 10, 1 0. And after that, in 100, 2 zeros. Total 1, 2, 3. Total 3 zeros are remaining. So, write 3 zeros. Now, it would be 1000, right? So, the answer is 1000. Or write the number 1000. Or write the number 1000. Next. So in third blank, another blank is also given, no? B, third B. Third B. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is equal to dash. So this is so here it is an addition. Plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus was given, no? So now we have to add all these hundreds, right? So it is some difficulty, right? So don't think like that. It is very easy to add all these hundreds. Okay, first count how many hundreds were given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds were given, no? So write first 10. First write 10. So now in 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, right? So now 10 after, keep 2 zeros. So now it would be 1000, right? So 1000 is the answer of this blank. Okay. Okay, now I am going to rub the board. Next, fourth blank. Fourth blank. The place value of the place value of 4 in 457 is dash. This is the fourth blank, right? So the place value of 4 in 457 is dash. So what was our first blank? The face value of 5 in 457. That is the first blank. Now we have to find out the place value. Place value. So what is a place value? Okay, I will tell you. The place value of a digit depends upon the place occupied by it and the number. This is the place value. So I will tell you in an easy way. 457, right? 457. So here we have to find out the place value of 4. Okay. First, right? The first digit is 4. So write first 4. Now close 4. So now how many digits are remaining? 2 digits are remaining, right? So write 2 zeros. 2 zeros. This is the place value of 4. 400 is the place value of 4. Next. 5. find out the place value of 5 means, now first write 5. Now close 5. Only one digit is remaining, right? So write 0. Write only 1 0 after 5. Next. Now if we have to find out 7 place value. So first write 7. First write 7. Next now close 7. Here there is no digits after 7, right? So no need to keep zeros after 7. So 400 is the place value of 4 and 50 is the place value of 5 and 7 is the place value of 7. So here we have to find out the place value of only 4. So what is the place value of 4? 400 only. So the answer is 400. Okay, do you understand? Okay. Now I am going to rub the board. Fifth one. Count the number of blocks count the number of blocks and choose the correct option and choose the correct option. This is the fifth blank, right? Okay. Here and this a picture is given, right? How many squares are given? 4. 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4, each square belongs to 100. 100, 100, 100 and 100. So how many hundreds were formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 400. So here one box is also given, no? Ones, tens and hundreds. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 200, 300, 400. So so here we have to write the hundreds digit. 400, no? So 4. So hundreds digit is 400. And after that some rods were also given, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each rod belongs to 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. So total 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So total 50, right? Okay. First 400. First we got 400 and after that now we got 50, right? 400 and 50. Next. A small boxes are also given, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And small squares are also given, no? So how many squares are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each square have only 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now let me count how much it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, now we have to add these 3. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Next, 0 plus 5 is 5. And here there is no digit, so keep 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Next, here there is no digits, right? So it's zeros. Now we have to add these 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. So the answer is 457. So write this answer in these boxes. 457. So now the 5 questions were completed, right? Okay. Do you understand the 5 blanks? Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening the class. Have a good day.